Ew, that looks like dough again. I said, what is that? Yeah, that's bread dough. Bread. I don't think bread is good for birds. You know that? I don't know. Maybe it is. Look at you, mister. Oh, that's a crow. Oh, that's a crow. Hi. Hello, Mr. Raven. Hello. Oh, I like your beak. Orange tip.
We didn't know that, you know? And it's because
It was so crazy. Before I turned the corner, there was two teenage girls, and one of the birds came flying down and almost like knocked her wig off or something. She's like, oh god, so funny. I don't know, maybe some models are in like a fight or something. Or, yes, I was picking up on that somebody was gonna get a modeling contract. Okay, I'm getting Irish again. And instead it went to somebody else. Somebody was hell-bent on making sure somebody didn't get the modeling contract. I kept picking up on that. Contracts. Contracts. Okay.